Hi guys, so today we're going to be talking about media literacy, specifically explicit versus implicit messages. This will be the first in a series of a few lessons over media literacy. So let's get started. What is media literacy? Media literacy is anything that involves the ability to access, analyze, evaluate, and produce both print and electronic media. Being media literate means that you can evaluate the media critically. Okay, basically, this is saying that media literacy is taking in those things that the media presents to you, whether it's advertisements, whether it's print, whether it's news, whatever it may be, and being able to analyze the hidden messages beneath the surface. So this week we're going to really focus on advertisement. And what we're going to talk about specifically are implicit versus explicit ads. So let's talk about what an explicit message is first. An explicit message comes right out and tells the audience what they want them to know. In terms of advertisement, it is less sophisticated than implicit advertisement, and it's often used by small businesses or those who have a product that's not well known. So here on your screen, I've got some examples of explicit ads. So these are the type of advertisements that are going to tell the consumer exactly what the person selling the product wants them to know. So you'll often see this type of advertisement with things like vitamins or weight loss pills. Lose weight faster and easier than ever before. Refined ingredients may reduce food cravings. It burns fat daily. Money back guarantee. Everything is in your face. There's nothing that is happening in the ad that they're not telling you at face value, okay? They just have a very small amount of time to grab your attention. They are selling you on the facts. Same with ads that include coupons or direct mail. This is a great example of media or of explicit messages. They're telling you they have the best Italian pizza. They've got their website listed, and then they're giving you specific coupons you can use. So you can buy one pizza and get another one free. You can get two large, two topping pizzas for only $6.99. There's no hidden message. They're coming right out and saying exactly what they want you to know about their product. Okay, next we talk about implicit messages. So implicit advertisements use visuals to imply a message rather than come right out and say it. Implicit ads sell an idea to the consumer rather than tell them specific details about a product or a company. And this is always well used in cologne, perfume, and car ads. So those are the examples I've included right here. So the first example is our Miss Dior ad. Now, if you look at this ad, it doesn't tell you anything about what the perfume smells like. It doesn't tell you anything about the ingredients or the price. However, we see a girl being lifted with pastel balloons above Paris, and it's selling you on the idea that if you wear this perfume, you'll have this romantic life where you go visit Paris and you're lifted up in pastel balloons and you have this beautiful, pleasing, aesthetically pleasing life. Same with the cologne ad. So this is directed towards men. So it's got a celebrity as their spokesperson. He's well dressed, and the women are tearing at his jacket. Paparazzi are after him. Again, it's not telling us the specific price or ingredients or even the fragrance, but it's letting you know if you buy this cologne, then you'll have a life like this man. Women will be throwing themselves at you. You'll be popular. You'll be well dressed. You'll be attractive. Oops. And then finally, the car ad. So this doesn't tell us the price of this car. It doesn't tell us any specifics. It doesn't tell us any factual details, but it's selling us on the idea that if you buy this car, you're extreme, you're a risk taker. It's got a guy skydiving, and then the car is flying as well. It says as extreme as you. The new Mercedes SLK is as wild as you want it to be, with a retractable hardtop, supercharged engine and undeniable style. This will take you anywhere you want to go. So it's selling you on this idea that if you buy this car, then you are this extreme adventurous person and not just an everyday ordinary Joe like everyone else. Now, we're not going to play these right now, but I've uploaded this whole PowerPoint presentation onto Jupyter Grades, and there are some examples for you to look at. For YouTube purposes, I don't think I'm supposed to show you these here, but if you want to go and follow these links, these are specific ad examples. So the Lancome perfume shows you exactly what we're talking about when we talk in terms of implicit messages. In this ad, they've got a celebrity riding on a white horse. There's an empowering song saying you can do anything. Again, they don't give you any details about the perfume, but it sells you on the idea that if you buy this perfume, you can do anything. You can overcome anyone. Same with the Nike ad. The Nike ad does not mention shoes or throughout the entire ad. It's selling you on a message that women are coming into their own in sports, that women can do anything. It's specifically showcasing the American women's soccer team. And all it has at the bottom is the logo, showing the Nike logo. It's selling you on an idea or an aesthetic or a vibe rather than telling you specifics about their products and shoes. On the other hand, we have an example of an explicit message you can watch, and this is the gallery furniture ad. You're probably familiar with these if you've lived in Houston at any time at all. And this ad, if you go watch it, you'll see that Mattress Mac tells you exactly what he's selling, the price, why you need it, where they're located. There's no hidden message. There's nothing implied. He's giving you all the details. So watch those on your own when you have time. Now, in the coming weeks, we'll talk about how this relates to other media. So implicit and explicit messages don't just pertain to advertisement. Later on this cycle, we'll talk about how they play into the news media specifically. And implicit messages are often used when it comes to politics and news media, both print and video. So we'll talk about that in the coming weeks. If you have any questions, let me know. We will also review this together when we are live. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you next time.